Camera wasn't on. Hello, Pedro again here. Another Blender stream. Well, 3D modeling stream. Today, yeah, I was gonna model like these attachments for these parts, but I totally did not have time. So, but that's like way too boring, so I'm not gonna bore you with that. Instead, I'm gonna build out this thing, the rear. Yeah, the rear suspension. Yeah, it really is a difficult, more exciting thing to look at. But even then, yeah, 3D modeling isn't very glamorous or whatever. But still, looks like I got some UV things here going on. It's oh wait a minute, select. That should, yeah, there you go. See, now it's all that fixed it. Weird coloring there. Hold on, let me put up chat. Yeah, so we're gonna be modeling the rear suspension unit for the car today. Where's that? Oh, there it is. I'm not sure if I can finish it because it is a very complicated piece, and yeah, I'm not sure if I have enough time. Whoa, something fell over there. I'm not sure if I have enough time to finish it off today. Oh, I think you can hear that. Let me lower that. Yep. There we go. Okay. Yeah. So just setting up a second screen here to see the chat. Hey, Peneke. Oh, hi, Tardigrade. Yeah. Okay. Good. That it's your end. I was kind of worried. Okay. Let's see. So I don't even know where to start. I mean, I already added some things. Let's just recap what we have now. This is what we have now. Oh, damn. Hold on. I kind of messed it up. There you go. Oh, it's doing something crazy. Oh, shit, bro. Oh, yeah, I know what. Man, I keep doing that. I keep hitting caps lock on accident, and like, then it does weird stuff. Anyways, this is what we have now. Let me actually do this. Copy this wheel. Whoop. Yeah, this is the current setup, but actually, let me make it more like the current setup. Where is that thing? Man, there's a lot of junk in this file. Where's that thing? What the heck? Where's that thing? Oh, here it is. Let me copy one, and then press M. Send it to the. I think it was here, wasn't it? No, it wasn't here. It was on this. No, damn it! I sent it back to the. No, I'm trying to put it on the correct layer where that. I don't remember which layer. Damn it! What's the layer? Was it this layer? Trying to put it on the. Oh, yeah, it was this layer. Yeah. So we're gonna mimic the current setup. Oh, not yeah, this view. Let's see. Get it down a bit. Yeah, it doesn't have to be exact because it's just mimicking it. Let me put that on wireframe so I can see the thingy here. Grab this wheel. Should be about there. Copy that. Let's see that. Mirror X. There you go. Whoops. Push it over here. How far is that? It's fine. Copy this. Yeah, copy that. Put it there. Yeah, that's fine. Put this wheel. Yeah, about halfway. So, real quick, this is the current setup of the rear suspension. As you can see, it's like a really thin suspension with a really wide rear. So that what you get, the problem that occurs now is that because this is really thin, it has it's held like this, and it has like, it does that a lot because it's really thin. So what I want is to make the base wider, make it wider, and make it so that it's how do you say, more stable. So that it doesn't do the lateral you know, wobbly crap anymore. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Wide rears are most agreeable. Yeah, so this is the current thing. This design also has several other issues. For example, here, well, this part here is held together by 4 screws that go in 2 holes on each side. Yep, I can confirm. Yep. So it's kind of a problem area. The best option is actually, because this is like also separated, best option is actually to fuse this together in one piece. At least, like, I mean, this is a separate piece and this is separate. Actually, this should actually be just one piece. It shouldn't be like separate. This was kind of a stupid decision at the time, but yeah, whatever. So this part, this is gonna be a single part. Making this a single unit with this is more difficult, but that's the limitation of this design. So I'm actually gonna rework this. Oh, that's the camera. Fucking lamp. What is this? A lamp? I hate it when it does that. This thing. Bye. I never. That's like the lighting, the lamp, or the camera. That's, you don't need that when you're doing 3D modeling. It's like, who gives a crap? Yeah, man. It shakes, yeah, a lot. You know, brrr, I'm saying. But so back to the new model. We have. I started with just placing the ball bearings. That's it. I mean, I didn't think of anything else. Just the ball bearings. So now we have the ball bearings here and here. So that should be wide enough. This is let me see this thing on the wireframe. Yeah. Oh, let me go to the other side. Yeah, this is the length of the bar, the axle that we're using. So we could. So yeah, it's let me put it like that. Yeah, that's the, oh, wrong button. I hit caps lock again. I keep hitting caps lock. There we go. Caps lock back on. So this bar is pretty wide. So now we have to put the ball bearings here. But I have to check one thing with the ball bearings, because last time I saw that the ball bearings were the wrong size. And I thought they were 1 centimeter, but they were actually, yeah, this one's wrong. They're actually 7 millimeters wide. So gonna pull that down and then pull it down to 7 millimeters. So it was the wrong size. How precise can I get it? Oh. Zoom in more, then you can get it. Ooh, I could probably just like do an extrusion thing, but I like messing around like this. Oh, shit, it only goes. Oh shit, 700. Can I get the last? Come on. Oh wait a minute, I'm looking at the wrong one. Oh yeah. I'm looking at the wrong one. Yeah. Okay, 9796999 702 is good. Yeah, whatever. It's good. So that's fixed. Let me go back to object mode. Set the to geometry. Copy this guy. Pass it over to the other side. Yeah, there you go. So that's more correct. The length, the width of the actual ball bearings. Let me see if I can. I actually want to put them. Is this thing in the center? I have to check if this thing is like properly centered, or else I might big trouble. Yeah, it seems so. Set. Yeah, it's in the center. Okay, good. Because I want to. This needs to be at the same distance from each other. So let's see. Put it. Yeah, put it here. So that's 1, 3. That's 7 centimeters. 3, 4. Yeah. 7 centimeters. Yeah, there's a lot of uncertainty. There is an uncertainty of like 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters with 3D printing. It's really annoying. You can't be extremely precise on a 3D printer, but up to a millimeter you can yeah, you can kind of fudge the distances a bit. So I'm gonna put him there. That should be wide enough. So next, let's see. I'm actually thinking of do what I did with the front wheel. This, I'm gonna make another one of these casings, but for the rear, and with a slightly different design to encase the because right now we use this weird we use these screws. We are gonna have to do that to keep the thing in place, but what we use to keep the bearing in place is this like this kind of crap, because it works with friction and you have to like slide it in and it has to like be extremely precise. It's a bad design. It's crap. This design of the new front suspension that I 3D doesn't need friction, because you just enclose the gear inside the object, and you screw it in, so it's good. It's not gonna move. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna design a new one. I'm not gonna repurpose this one. I'm gonna design a new one for the rear. And also, I want to design a similar object for the motor. So I can so the motor can be, you know, placed inside the well, encased in a part without it wobbling too much. But the problem with the motor is on this side. There's the motor, by the way. On this side, you have all these electronic stuff and like cables going in, so I can't really cover it up, or else it's gonna be really annoying to like do maintenance. So I'm gonna actually do like encase it on this side like this, over, and like kind of clamp it like this, like that. I'm gonna try something like that. Yeah, so let's start sketching it out. I didn't make anything for this yet, but yeah, well, whatever, we'll figure it out. Let's start sketching it out. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so what I usually do here is, look, these things, they already have like nice holes. Oh, wait a minute, I need to watch out because I need to check if it's printable. Okay, nice. It only has like a bunch of zero, but that doesn't really matter. I mean, whatever. Zero faces aren't gonna, with our printer, it's not gonna screw up. Some printers don't like it, That's why there's like a lot of popular programs out there to do some kind of post production kind of thing on 3D models, like Mesh Mixer. Mesh Mixer works if you get like a random 3D model from wherever somebody sends you something, and you gotta print it. Then you can like load it into Mesh Mixer, because it can load up all kinds of models, and then you can like fix the model so that it comes out on a printer. I don't really need Mesh Mixer or any kind of program like that, because I'm making the model myself, and I have this handy 3D printing, all these 3D printing tools for Blender, so I can have a fixed model just on my own, so I don't need those other programs. But they're pretty handy if you're just getting like random models. I'm pretty sure they're pretty handy if you're working in a group and somebody just makes a model and just sends it to you. I don't know, and then you're like, yeah, I'm in a hurry, you got to print it, whatever, and then you like try to print it. It's like, you got to fix it. That can work. But anyways, this one's okay. Overhang, yeah, well, whatever. That's not gonna do anything really. The zero faces doesn't really matter. Our printer can handle it. Some printers can't, but whatever. You have to check it out. So this is good. This can be printed. Just put it back so I don't lose the position. Now I'm gonna actually start. Let's see. Where do I start? Ooh, this is the hard part, deciding where to start. Also, the position of the motor, I'm not exactly sure that's a good spot for it, because it's gonna make it kind of tall. So actually, I think putting the motor horizontal or in line with this is probably better. So it might make the car longer, but I'll just have to reshuffle this stuff. But actually, there's a lot of clutter. Hold on, let me get rid of all this clutter, because there's a lot of crap over here from previous 3D printing. Well, actually, I'll just get rid of these guys. Oh shit. This thing is in the way. Yeah, this is the size of the car, approximate size of the car. Let me get rid of these. Send them to send them to this one. Oh yeah, this is a thing. Send it to this one. This is send it to this one. What's this? I mean, this guy. It's a lot of little holes and like random stuff. Holes that I use to punch holes with booleans into the meshes. So it's pretty handy. Send this to here. Just sending it all to a different spot. I'll send these guys over there for now, because they're kind of annoying me, kind of in the way. I can figure out where to put them later. Send this guy to. There you go. I'll leave that there for reference. Hey, where's the did I send that? Oh shit, let me check it out. I did send it. I'll leave this one here, because this is like the the size of the dimensions of the car I want the car to have. See, it fits. Let me put that in wireframe so you can see it. See, it's like this wheel, the rear tires went out of it, and it's kind of like a high-speed car. Hey, what's up, Jimmy? So this is like the dimension. This is like a 30 by 15 centimeter square, or a rectangle. So 30 long, 15 wide. So I want the car to be 30 centimeters in length. There will be, well, wheel to wheel anyways. I will put a bumper in the car. Ooh, let me hook up my battery actually. I'm on my laptop. There we go. Hooked up my battery. I'm on my laptop right now. yeah, this is the dimension. So, but there's gotta be a bumper. It's gonna add like maybe a couple of centimeters more there. But really, the main part of the car is gonna be like this. So actually, also, I think I want to do the same for height. Then I could kind of maximize the height of the car. I think that's a good idea to do now. Then I know where to what to aim for. So, ooh, look at that. Radius, 15 centimeters. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, look at that. Oh, so it's 30. 15 centimeters. So now it's 30. Let me rotate it to 90 degrees on the Y. It's not gonna work. Oh, no. I mean on the yeah, on the Y. I was pressing Z. I was pressing Z by mistake. I meant on the Y. I'm gonna put it here. See that? Gonna do edit mode. Yeah, select it on that. It's good. Just grab one side, pull it down. Oh wow, it did it. Oh, good. So now let's see how tall we make the car. Yeah, I think that tall's about right. That looks oh, that looks pretty good actually. That height. So actually this can be here. So gonna make it max this height. That looks pretty good actually. Well, let me pull this out a bit. It's not exactly you put it there, just fudging the distances a bit doesn't really matter. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine, whatever. It's okay. Yeah. Put that there. Put that there. Put that in the middle. This is just a guide to like help me see the dimensions, the max size of the car. Let me save that so that I can see the max size of the car. Let me grab grab the bottom piece, make it the same length. Hold on, let me put it on solid. Yeah, the cat's going at it again. I have a Bengal cat, so they like to vocalize a lot. Yeah. Whatever, she's fine. She vocalizes for anything. It's like, oh, I gotta go to the toilet. Meow. Gotta call out for 10 minutes because I have to go to the toilet. Attention! I have to go to the toilet. I have to go to the toilet. The cat's crazy, man. Yeah. Attention! I am currently hungry. Attention! Well, that one's logical, but it's pretty stupid. But yeah, whatever. Anyways. So that looks pretty good. I mean, look, it's pretty hard to see when it's like, so I have to put it in wireframe to see it, but it's no big deal. If I put it like this, you can see put it like this, you can see the thing. So that's about the height. So I guess the motor position is fine, but cat's fine. She has food, she has drinks, she's just whatever. She probably has to go to the bathroom. I don't know. It's whatever. Yeah. So gotta move this guy actually because I'm not really feeling it where it's at right now. It's like it's kind of weird. So grab it. What's this? What the heck is that? Oh, that's that. Oh, that's what I used to punch the hole in the thingy here. Let me select it too. Whoa, something happened. Okay, cool. It's fine. I'm gonna put this guy. Actually, let's see. Put him down here. Can actually put him a bit higher to have some clearance. Put that on the wireframe. Now I have to put the gears. I have to place them correctly, because I gotta watch out with this. This is like the an important. So in this position, the gears would be there. It's fine. That's good enough. So it's pushing on there, and it's yeah. So that's pretty good. So let's see what it looks like in the solid mode. Yeah. So we made it a bit shorter, well, less tall, and then yeah, that looks good. Yeah, let's see. I mean, actually, I could make it. I could put a second one of these, and like, oh yeah, that's actually a pretty good idea. Then I know the exact height. This is the clearance I have to the ground, because this is the gear. The big gear is there. I could change this and make it like, if I add a, if I mean, this is the problem with working with this big gear. Your clearance to the ground is pretty low. I mean, the clearance right now is like a centimeter, but it doesn't really matter because we're not going off road or anything, so it's fine. It's gonna work out. But this is pretty good actually. Just use that. Then I know the clearance to the ground. So actually, the motor assembly, I can actually put it lower. Oh, not solid. Wireframe. I can actually put it lower to like make it more flush. You can actually just put it on the line. Screw it, just do this. Yeah, that's good. Let me rotate that. Whoa, rotation. Let me rotate that. Put it straight. There you go. Oh, wrong one. This one and this one. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. Let me see. Do I need to put it more forward? Nah, it's fine. It's gonna be fine. So actually, that's pretty good. Just make it, yeah, keep it kind of center. Don't have to do any kind of weird things. Don't have to put it at weird angles or whatever. Just keep it center. Yeah, that looks good. Also, I put this in the center, but actually I could put it offset to the side or something like that, and have more space back here to put the other parts. I could like put the ESC over here or something. Yeah, that's not a bad idea actually. Well, I did want to keep the center of mass here, so we don't have weird things. But yeah, I mean, you could, if I push it here, but I can still actually put the ESC over here, even though there's still room for that here. Put the ESC here, put the battery here, raise the thing, Raspberry Pi over here, that kind of stuff. Actually, let me do that. Let me try that out. Send these guys to the main thing again. Let me try that out. So see, this is the previous thing. Pull that more to the front. Wireframe. If I make the bottom of the car this, I have this much. Just grab this guy. Keep this height. Also, the bottom of the car is not that because I have this here, but I can this is version 2, so actually this is the bottom of the car. This is version 2. I have to keep in mind that I'm working on version 2 of the car. not the current one. The current one does not allow this. Put that here. This is the ESC. Let me see, did that work? Oh, yeah, it looks pretty good actually. Put it there. Move this guy more forward. I can rotate this actually. Put it 9 degrees, yeah. Let me move this whole thing. Yeah, put it like that. Put it closer. I want to keep this one centered. This is the battery. Battery is big and heavy, so it's actually better to keep it center. Or else yeah, it's gonna screw up stuff. So this is like the biggest mass we have in the car. This is a huge battery. So, I mean, you can see this is 15 centimeters wide. So their battery is almost is about 10 centimeters wide, or in length, and it's about, I don't know, 3 or 4 centimeters tall, or three probably. So yeah, this is yeah. So that looks actually pretty good. Actually, I think I'm gonna get rid of this guy because I don't really need it. Now that I realize it, get rid of. All I need is the maximum, you know, clearance to the ground. That's what I needed. That's already, this plane already shows me the ground clearance. So now I can just place the parts on there to you know. So this looks pretty good. Yeah. This is for the Raspberry Pi. This is the battery. This is the ESC. This is the motor. And we have a single gear setup with a single axle. It's just a metal bar that has that's M8 screw. It's actually a big M8 screw, and we just found it lying around and we just decided to use it. Whatever, it's fine. So that's actually pretty. That looks pretty good as a general setup. From the front. Oh, that's from the bottom. Look at it from slight angle, like that. Whoa, perspective, in a perspective mode. Whoa, it's some kind of weird artifacting going on there. That's weird. Doesn't matter. Perspective mode. Whoa, from perspective to isometric is a crazy thing. It looks weird. Look, isometric, perspective. Now it looks normal, and then when you go back to isometric, whoa, what's going on? It's crazy. It looks pretty weird. So this is the thing. We already printed this part. It looks pretty good. It works pretty well. This front part. I'm gonna print this. I didn't print this last time. This steering column, because I didn't. I wanted to try something out for steering, but I have to print this and this next time. These two. Yeah. What we're working on now, what I'm working on now, I'm not gonna be printing out for next time because it's not gonna be ready. It's for version 2 of the car, and the version 2 of the car is actually gonna be mostly 3D printed. Right now, version 1 is mostly those metal rods that we have. Yeah, so it's not 3D printed. There are some 3D printed parts, but it's mostly not. Let's see. For those of you who just found this stream and just joined us, yeah, we do streams on Fridays where we 3D print these parts that I designed on today's stream, and we try them out on Friday too, and we do all kinds of stuff with them. Well, and so yeah, now I'm modeling some parts, but I'm not gonna be printing these parts out this Friday. Let's see. So there's a lot. So now a lot of setup. we we had a lot of setup in the last half hour. Now I want to get down to putting some details on the car. So we have this right now. Let's see, how can we solve these issues. Look, the current design, this is what we have now. We have this to keep the gear and to keep both gears attached so that it doesn't move. We have this. This is actually there to hold these two gears together. So that, oh, wrong. So it has to be like, this has to happen. So how do I, but it has to be close, or else it's you're gonna have a wobble. It's gonna be like, if you put it too far, if you put this too far from the gear, it's gonna do that. And the gear's gonna start skipping. So you're gonna have that. So what you need is to keep it close so it can't go. So we need to solve that problem. Actually, I just thought of an idea, because you can see here the distance is not that far. So actually, I think moving the motor over here is probably the best way to do it. Move the motor. Yeah, moving the motor is probably the best way to do it. Even though you may have some lateral issues here, because the motor is actually pretty light compared to the battery. So and every other, we also have another battery in there. So I don't think it's gonna cause an issue. I think it's gonna be fine. The motor is one of the lighter components in the whole assembly. Only we have a problem here, that this has to be screwed on. So I'm thinking maybe put it on this side. Let's see. I need the ball bearing actually around. I need the ball bearing around here. Let me see. How does this look? If I do this, slightly offset. Yeah. Difficult choice. Oh, I'll deselect stuff. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Selected the wrong things. This guy. Ah, there she goes again. Okay. Yeah, this is a hard one. Can do this. Yeah. Yeah, there's the cat. Hello. Yeah. Ooh. Hello, cat. Yeah. Bengal cat. Real nice. This is the hardest part, actually. This part, I think I'm gonna have to do something similar. Actually, the same thing as here. Just just gonna have to offset it to the side. Oh. So it's not gonna be. It's better to have it like perfectly straight. But you can't always. Okay, let me try some. Actually, it might be possible to just have it like this and have a really strong connection here so that it doesn't do the wobble. I think I can pull it off. Okay. Whoa, not the right, not the button. I'm still trying. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. How do we do this? Yeah, difficult engineering. Okay, I can make a cage. I can make a cage to where these both sit in there, and then this attaches. Yeah, let me try that. Okay, I gotta make a cage. Let's see. I need. What do I need? What do I need? Let me just grab a. Let me just grab a. I'll grab a plane. Yeah, I'll grab a plane. Radius 15, radius 10. Ah, whoa, 10 meters, 10 centimeters. Where is it? Let me try 8 centimeters. Yeah, okay, good. 8 centimeter radius. Okay, so now, yeah, bear with me, guys. This is an annoying thing. Now I'm gonna make a cage for this whole assembly. So now, gonna have this here. Go to edit mode, grab one end. Okay. How high? Yeah, that should be fine. Let me I'm in edit, right? Yeah, I'm in edit. Extrude region, Z, 5 millimeters. 5 millimeter thick now. Okay. Let me go back to solid. Okay, 5 millimeter. Actually, let me pull out. This guy and this guy join. And I'm gonna send you, oh, because I don't need it right now. I'm gonna send them to because it's annoying. Yeah, there we go. So that's the base for this cage I'm gonna build. Grab that. So now, hey, where you at? What are you doing? Oh, there we go. Oh, why is it not working? Okay, Control R. There we go. No, not 3. 2. Deselect. Alt Shift. And you grab all the things around it. Like that. Alt Shift. And you grab everything. Actually, maybe I put that at 30 centimeter and a half. Oh, I could put 6.5. Put it. Whoa! What the fuck? I did meters. Okay, let me. Out there. Okay, they're the same distance now. Right, they're at the same distance now. Now we go horizontal lines, 2 of them. Boop, boop. Like that. Pull it up. Yeah, I gotta make sure you don't. You guys could probably guess what I'm doing. Well, maybe, I don't know. Like that. This line. I'm just clearing the. I just put it here. Fuck it. There you go. I'm just clearing the gears. Okay, now go to select faces and delete face. Did I delete the right face? I don't know. Oh yeah, I did. There you go. Yeah, so now we have that. Oh, no. Just punch it in a hole. Okay, so that's that. So copy the thing and move it up. Like that. That looks pretty good. I think I might be able to get away with a simpler construction. I'll simplify it, but for now I'll leave it like this. I'll simplify this. I probably don't need the top part that much. I probably need just buff up the bottom, and then leave the top part like it is now. Also, this is kind of interfering, I think. Oh, let me still an object. Oh, and go to wireframe. Yeah, this is gonna interfere. Lower it. Yeah, it's gonna, the top is gonna interfere. Whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the stream. It's a lot of little tweaks here and there. Yeah, that looks okay-ish. Okay, I'm gonna change it up. I'll delete this for now because it's not looking too good. I'll leave this as the base. Okay, I'll leave this as the base. Now, this is clipping into the motor there, but whatever. I'll leave it like that for now. No big deal. Let's see. What I need to do now, I'm gonna enclose, because I'm gonna use this. Actually, no, it's fine. Because I need to enclose these ball bearings, just like I enclose them at the front here. Here, the ball bearings are enclosed in this thing. So I'm gonna do the same back here. I'll leave this on here for as guides, but I might actually just be able to. I might actually be able to just get rid of them. I might not even need them, but whatever. Need this thing, but whatever. I'll do this first. So what I do is copy, put it next to it. Let me wireframe it. Let me scale it. On the Z twice. Ooh, that's too much. You gotta just try out some stuff. 1.5. Ooh, might be too much. 1.3. And on the Y, 1.3. Let me take off the, because I can't see shit. Take off that. Oh, yeah, like that. So that's how big. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Just gonna push it up against there. So what I want, this is the thing. You make it bigger, and then this because it's the ball bearing, and make it bigger and just push it over it. That's how I make these parts. So we need to make it wider. So just actually, wait a minute. And push it over there like that. Put it on top. Press the B, select this side, pull it. This part is gonna be having a lot of stress, so I'll make it like extra thick. You know, like nice and thick. Oh, the cat's fine. She started up again. Yeah, whatever. Bye-bye. She's over there. She'll survive. So now I got that. You can just barely see. This is the ball bearing. Oh, cat's running around. This is the ball bearing. This line here, you can barely see it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mold it around it. This is the outside. Two things. Let me see. Does this work? Oh no. Oh, what the fuck is it doing? Nah, it's... Oh no, wait a minute. Put it there. No, it's not working. Okay. So just press B. Yeah, select the center. Because I need it to be wider than the center, because what we do is we have these nuts that we attach the thing with, so this has to be wider than the nuts. So I'm gonna scale this too. I'm gonna go to 1.3 again. Maybe 2. Ooh, 2 might be too much. Let me do scale again. 1.2. 1.2. Oh, actually, I have the perfect size here. There it is. Here, this is the size. This square here is the size I need, so it needs to be higher than that. Okay, so I need to go 1.3. No, 1.4. Ooh, 1.5. Yeah, this looks a lot like little minutia, but it needs to be bigger than the this. Here you can see the size. This is the size of the bolt right here. You see it there. It needs to be bigger than that. Oh shit, one of the crap, one of the things didn't select along with everybody else. There we go. Do it again. 1.5 or 1.6. 1.6. She has to be bigger than this. But it can't be too big, or else the ball bearing is gonna be too small. I mean, too big in it. Let me go 1.7. Whoa, cat's running. 1.7. That's a safe bet. Also, it has enough grip over here to attach itself to the ball bearing. Yeah, it has to be. It has to allow this square here has to fit in here. So actually, let me pull out of this. Put it in here like that, and then go back. See, yeah, see, the square. Oh, let me. Oh, not that, not that. What am I doing? Okay, like this. There, the square, and there you go. Oh, it's kind of hard to see, but you can just barely make out the bolt here. See, because that's the shit. That's the bolt, and it just barely fits in there, so it's fine. Let's see. So now put it back. Edit mode, and you see the ball bearing. It's still. Let me actually pull out. Whoa, not that. Solid. You see the ball bearing is right there. This is the ball bearing. See, so this is still encased, and we look at it from this side. You can see. Look at how it clips, and that's right there. See, that's the amount that the ball bearing is enclosed. Is using the grip on the rope, so it's gonna work out, and it's pretty thick up to now because I haven't done anything on the inside to make the ball bearing fit. So we have the width. So now we go in. Let me put it back on wireframe because I need to see the ball bearing. Glad you enjoy it, Panic. So now press R, Control R. Where's that? Come on, man. Where's this thing? Not working. What's going on? Control R is not working. Oh crap! It's too much. It's too much of a complicated shape. See that? It's not finding a path. So ooh, okay. Back up. I'm gonna have to do something else. This part is lost. Error. Okay, I'm gonna have to do something else. It's not gonna work. Well, it is. I can make it work, but too much, too complicated. I can make it a lot easier. I'm back in object mode. I'm gonna delete that. It's not gonna work. Not the easy way. I can make it wave. Oh shit. Oh, too big. There we go. Okay. Make a cylinder. Radius. What's the radius? Bloody hell. What's the radius? 22 centimeters. So I need it at. I'm gonna put it at. Okay, radius 15 millimeters. My caps are on. Whoa, look at that. Depth. What's a good depth? Put it at 15 millimeters too. Fuck it. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Wow. Okay, so it's rotated. Rotate. 90. Oh, not 0.1. 90. On the Y. No, not the. There we go. On the Y. Oh, it's kind of thick. Well, whatever. We have to center it now. it's there. Okay, that's good. Oh no, not that circle. Yeah, this circle. Good thing I already put it on this centering thing. There we go, centered. There's probably an easier way to center things, but whatever. Okay, I made it way too big. Look at that shit. Holy shit, it's huge. But that doesn't matter. We can fix it. So yeah, I could reduce the size of this thing. This side I don't need it that thick. I just pull it in. Put it just slightly half. Ooh, actually. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, good. That side's fine. This side, also pull it in a bit. It's a bit too fat. There we go. So now you're wondering, what the hell are we doing? Now let's fix this thing. Put R, and then I need two sides. Deselect. Now to select this guy. And hey, what are you doing? Oh, damn it! I unselected it by accident. Select this guy. Now we gotta scale, but now we're gonna do it by eye. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I should have selected both of them. Select both of them. Oh, Alt Shift. Okay. S. Do by eye. There we go. Now you have this. Oh, now you have this. Okay. Press this guy and pull it in to here. There we go. Press this guy and pull it into here. Oh, there you go. Now if you exit and you put it on solid, you see what we have here. A thingy. We have a thing. Good. Now you see there's a thing in the middle, so just faces, and you know how I love deleting faces. Gone. Your face, and gone is your face. Now we do go back here and check it out. Oh, we got a hole. Yeah, okay, cool. Now I do this. This is a nice trick I always like to do. Oh, make sure you put it on select lines, dude, and then it's this one, and then press a W, and then bridge edge loops. Whoops, there we go. Now what did we just make? We just made a cylinder with a hole. Real easy. Okay, so now go back, deselect that, press the 7, press the B, do this, go wireframe, pull it. Yeah, that should be good enough. Blah, blah, blah. Pull it here, and we are back to where we were just a few minutes ago. But this time I can, yep, there you look at that. Woo! Make 2 of them. Oh shit. Okay, make 2 of them. Now Alt click this and Shift Alt click this. Okay. Now you see the ball bearings. Press S and just a bit wider than the ball bearings. There you go. Oh, this way, it always does this. I don't do it often this way because it always does pushes it out. So I have to always pull it back in every time I use it. There we go. So it's fine. This, now pull it down. Ooh, like that. Now Shift, Alt Shift click. Oh, not that side. Alt Shift click this line. I think it's this line. Is it this line? Yes, fine. And now pull the bear, pull it, and now we just go back out, go to solid, and you can see what I made. See that? Damn it, rotate properly. There you go. See that? The ball bearing fits right in there. And is wide enough to hold the other thing. So now we have a holder for... Our bearings are kind of big. Yeah, so yeah, that's why I'm making this part. But I actually like the format because it kind of makes it kind of, you know, kind of robust, kind of big. I like that. So anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the stream. It's let's see. If you like what you're seeing, just give us a follow or join our Discord. We have all the links are there. Okay. Yeah, so we need the same thing on the other side, but we'll take care of that later. I mean, it's just basically just copying, so it doesn't matter. Now, through the same method, how big was this thing? Let me do the same thing again. Cylinder. Yeah, depth, I'll put it at I don't know, put it at 5 millimeter. But this time I will rotate it on the Y 90 degrees. So it's there you go. Made a second one. I put it in place. It has to be perfectly centered, or else it's gonna rotate it. It's gonna be wobbly when it rotates. So now this is a lid to close it up. I did 5 millimeters, but I could probably do less. But I'm gonna keep it at 5 actually, because since this is an area with a lot of stress, so it's better to keep it at 5. Yeah, gonna do the same thing. Edit. Hold on. Let me put the bands here before doing this. This time might work better. Wireframe. So this one, it's not gonna be as wide as this. I need to have it as wide as this. So, oh, wrong way. Yep, that looks good. Now, again, this. Oh shit, wrong one. Align it again. There you go. This one. Whoops. And yep, there you go. Damn it. What's it doing? Okay. So now go back to solid. Select face. You know what time it is. Get rid of these faces. Oops. And plop. Wait, what are you doing? Oh no, wrong one. This one. Plop. Plop. W. Edge loops. There you go. So now we have the lid. So this part actually closes in and squashes the ball bearing into the thingy, like that, right there. Bam, close it. I made it thinner. I'll thicken it up. It's a bit too thin because this part's gonna be under a lot of stress. So make it up to there. That was 5 millimeters. Sup, Jimmy? Okay, so that's good. Now, do I have it? Do I have it? I wonder, do I have these? Oh, no. Because I want to have these. I want to have these guys. I wonder, because I need these holes. Wondering if maybe one of them still has it selected. No, that one has that selected. So I'm kind of lazy, so I don't want to make new holes. So I just want to see if I could just grab them. And also like editing, I don't have them open or free. And like editing out holes out of this freaking thing is a bit annoying. I mean, I could do it, but okay, whatever. Fine. I'll do it the hard way. Not in the mood for that crap. But first, before I put any holes in here, I have to attach it. There's a couple of things I wanted to do. Thinking about attaching it just on here, or I can just make like a thing here, or I could just do both. I think I'm gonna do both. It's probably the better. Have one here, but also have one here because I need a lot of strength for the. I need a lot of strength to hold this together. So it's not gonna be too easy. Yeah, I need to let me see. Yeah. It's a tough one. Let's see. I think it's probably gonna be better to just push the yeah, I think I'm gonna do this anyways. I think it's better to do it like let's see, I can probably put this. Okay, grab this guy. Okay, grab this whole assembly, put it here. And use this. Yeah. Use this to also screw on the wheel. And then I can pull back this whole thing. Oh. Did I do it? And I can put it in between there. Yeah. No, I can't. I can't because the bolt is in place there. Can't do it. Okay, let me try something. Let me recreate the bolt because I need the bolt and I didn't recreate it, so I'm actually gonna have to recreate the bolts. It's in here because I needed it for a thing. Let me see if I can I grab it like this? Oh no. Click it there. Wonder if I can copy it. Yeah. Copy. Yeah. Face. This time I added a face. Now select all and press and move it out of this model. Now I got the bolt. Oh shit. Origin to geometry. There you go. Now go to wireframe. Put it in the center. Now we have it. Now we have it in. Oh shit! Wrong one. Now we have it in the correct place. Now we can look at it. So this one's gonna be like this. This is a tough one. And on this side, I need a bolt. Oh shit. I need it on both sides of this wheel. So I need two of them. Shift D, two. So this guy needs to be a minimum there. And this guy is gonna push against here, and this guy's gonna push against. Now we're starting to get into like kind of the limitations of the axle design. We will be moving away from it soon, but not right now. We're still gonna be working with it. So now we have that. Okay, we have that. So let's see. is really just a single assembly that I should, yeah. Okay, put it back. Just gonna put it back. Fuck it. Okay, so look, this can work like this. This can work because now I have the oh, but I have to actually attach it to the yeah, it has to actually come here. Yeah. So grab all of these parts, wireframe it, and there. That's how far it goes. Okay, that's the ball bearing, and this goes against the ball bearing, like that. Goes against the ball bearing. Okay. So now, let me grab this guy, one of these guys, copy it again, put it on the other side, because on the other side of the ball bearing, we're gonna have another one sitting right here, like that, on against the ball bearing, and it's gonna look like that. See that? So that's what it's gonna look like. Yeah. So that's what it's gonna look like. Let me pour a drink. I'm kind of parched. Holy shit. Yeah, I said this is gonna be a complicated model today because there's a lot of weird things going on. You have to like make sure the parts don't go crazy. Yeah, okay. So now we have this. Now we're doing this. Actually, I need to. Cat's going at it again. Actually, I need to copy this again to the other side too. Because it goes like that. This might be too big. Not sure. We'll see. I don't have one with me, so I have to verify the sizes on Friday. Hey, Cyfax, what's up? So yeah, this is a complicated part. Let's see. So actually, look, the motor is there. It's kind of impeding any kind of ball bearing thing I can put there. I wonder, what's it look like on the wireframe? The motor is there. The ball bearing is here. The holder for the ball bearing is there. I could like hollow it out like this, just on that one side, and push the ball bearing like under the motor. Oh yeah, well, as you can see, I'm making a rear. I'm redesigning the rear suspension unit for the car. Yeah, it's a complicated part. a lot of crazy tolerances that you need to pay attention to. I've been at it for what, I don't know, hour and a half, and yeah, trying to get like, you need to design it in a way that the gears don't jump off each other. They need to stay stuck together. If it's too loose, the gears are gonna skip, and it's gonna break. So yeah. What are you doing in Unity? Making a game or something, or whatever, a model or rather. Yeah. So I could. This part is kind of big, so I could hollow out one part of it, and then I could move it under here and make it part of the entire assembly for the. Yeah, this is all for 3D printing. I mean, the rest of the car looks like this. This is already printed on this last Friday. We printed this, and it works really well. If you want to see the results, you could check out the previous stream, last Friday's stream. But for now, we're not gonna be printing this because I don't think I'm gonna be finished with this part tonight. But this is for version 2 of this car. We have this RC car, and we're like making it from scratch, just designing our own parts. It's like we're not buying parts or whatever, we're just designing our own things. And yeah, version 1 is kind of crappy. It was like the very first thing we did, but now working on improving it. This already works really well. We already tried it out. It vastly improved over the previous design. Now we're trying to fix the rear design. But yeah, it's complicated stuff. Yeah. Let's see. Actually, I think I am gonna do that. I think I am gonna just. Oh shit! Wow, yeah, yeah, man. I know what it feels like making those models in Blender and all that stuff. It's yeah, it's a lot of work. It's tedious work, like amazing. I mean, I'm glad I don't have to make a game. I use Blender as a CAD program for my 3D models, so I'm actually kind of using it wrong, but whatever. I mean, I should actually be doing using Autodesk or something, or any other like SolidWorks or whatever, but those things are super expensive, and Blender works just fine, and we're just 3D printing, so it's like whatever, it works perfectly. The good thing about 3D printing is that I don't have to worry about things like texturing or whatever. So I could just make it. I don't have to, no lighting or nothing. I'm just making shapes. Yeah, exactly. There's no wrong way to do this stuff, right? And plus, Blender is free. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if I wanted to go for SolidWorks or anything, it'll be like really expensive licenses. Let's see. So, yeah. So yeah, the problem right now is that this, if I do it like this and I bridge it like that, it's gonna cause issue. I actually need to have it here. Yeah, I know the normals. These normals are like that, but actually I didn't fix the normals because I thought, hey, that's pretty handy. I can see where the part is, and it doesn't really matter because I'm 3D printing it, so it's like, who cares? But it's kind of handy because I was like, hey, and I don't have to color the part. And it's just, the normals are flipped, whatever. I'm fine. I might fix it later, but it's kind of useful. But I could just color in the part though, give it a color. But this is like easy. I'm a bit lazy when it comes to this kind of stuff. Let's see. So, oh no, not that. So this part. So I put it here. Let's see. put it like that. And let me put that in a wireframe. Let's just see where I'm pressing this thing at. Yeah, like that. That should be fine. That should be fine. It's actually not that bad. And the distance, I mean, it's losing, it's offset. Yeah, I think it'll be okay. I mean, ideally it would be here because we have this weird ass design and whatever. It's probably fine where it is there. I mean, it's enough. If it's enough length to keep it stable. Also, I'm gonna be adding the shape. So I think it's fine there. Let's see. I think I'm gonna have to flip this guy because I'm thinking this is the lid, and it's probably better to have this part on this side. No, it's just a 3D. There's no art or anything. I mean, it's just this. This is gonna be printed. I'm just we're right now we're focusing on making the thing work. We're gonna do like more artsy stuff later. But eventually I will be doing that too. I will be doing the designs, like the more artsy designs and that kind of stuff. I will be doing that eventually. So this thing, yeah, I'll flip it. I just hit mirror. Fuck it, that's easy. There you go. Oh shit. Whoa, what happened? Okay, there we go. Yeah, I had to click. I forgot. Okay, there we go. So now I flipped it. Yeah, that's gonna work better. Like that. Let me check out the wireframe, see if it's still, everything's still in the right. Yeah, it's whatever, it's fine. Yeah, that should be fine. I mean, it'll work. Yeah, it's gonna work, whatever. It's fine. So now, go back to solid. Yeah, see here, it's clipping into the motor. I could just pull the motor back. Actually, let me just do that. Screw it. There we go. Well, actually, yeah, I'll do that. That's fine. There. Nice and easy. So, what I need now is a beam to hold this part here, going from the motor to here. And it's gonna screw, these are the screw holes for the motor. This is where you can screw the motor in. So I need a thing right there. So I'm just gonna be lazy. Well, lazy, whatever. I'm just gonna let's see, what can I do? It's also gonna attach here. By the way, 3D printing is you with your mesh, when you're 3D printing, you only have to worry about a few things, and everything else is just like whatever. Especially our printer. Our printer can handle a lot of crazy meshes, even bad meshes. So I'm actually not spending that much time on making like the perfect mesh. I'm actually doing a lot of like bullshit because it doesn't matter anyways, because the part comes out. I mean, like, I can give you an example. This part, if you go to, I literally just joined 3 things. Look, here's one model, here's another one, and here's 2. I just pressed join. and that's it. I didn't bother making a nice mesh. Look at this. It's like completely unconnected. Nothing's going anywhere, and it still prints. It printed perfectly. So with 3D printing, you don't have to worry about a lot of stuff that you do have to worry about when you're like making games or whatever. Because if you have a bad mesh, you're gonna have issues. 3D printing, especially if you have the right software, the right printer, you can just whatever. The main things you have to worry about are like non-manifold edges and bad continuous edges. Those are the main things you have to worry about. Everything else is just like, who cares? Doesn't really matter. Doesn't really affect the print drastically or at all. I mean, I've printed really terrible print meshes that is like, why are you doing this? It's crazy. Yeah, true. Yeah, man, it's amazing. It's like liberating. It's like I mean, I'm not even worried about like poly count. I mean, whatever. I just make the shape. Poly counts, who cares? Whatever. It prints it. You know. So let's see. Yeah, I need a thing here, a thing right there. So I'm thinking of just putting down a plane, or maybe a cube. I don't know. Yeah, I just put down a plane. Oh shit. Let me reduce that radius. Let me give it 2 centimeter. Wow. Let me flip it 90 on the Y. That's where I need it. Put it there, and put it over here. Let's see. Yeah, wireframe it. Actually, that's pretty good. Edit. Yeah, that's fine. Pull it here. Yeah, pull it to here. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Boom, like that. I'm gonna extrude it for a few millimeters. On the X, 5 millimeter. Well, what's up? Weird. It was constrained access was on. Yeah, 5 millimeter. I can make it. Nah, that's fine. 5 millimeter. No, wait. I'll make it less just to not screw up the. This part might mess with it. This gear. The gear might fuck up. Yeah. So that's that. Get out of edit mode. Yeah, I need that to hold the whole thing straight. I can actually let me pull this, pull it there. I can actually pull it here. Yeah. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm just looking at it from all kinds of angles, trying to get inspired to do something. So what I can do here, also check it out. This part's gonna print. Yeah, it's fine. Look at that. Non-manifold edge 0. It has 0 faces, but that totally does not affect the print, so I'm not even gonna fix that. Who cares? I'm just gonna check all the parts actually. Oh, object mode. Check this part. Edit. Check it all. Yeah, fine. It's fine. Just checking all the parts. Just a real quick check. That's fine. This one, no, this is a free. This is just a plain, so it should be fine. I mean, it will be weird. Look at that. See, it's fine. Okay, so now we have this. Let's see. I need holes right here, but I can punch them in, booleans, and you got your holes. I mean, yeah, like just like that. I mean, 3D printing is really easy. You can just punch in holes. Like, who gives a crap? Doesn't really matter. It's still got, if as long as you're 0. Sorry, headphone guys. Sorry, I hit the mic. But as long as your non-manifolds and your bad continuous edges are 0, you should be fine. Let's see. Trying to figure out how to do this. Okay. Well, I'm gonna work on this guy. Oh no, let me do that like that. Whoop. Let me grab it here. And then since I'm out of this, I'm gonna actually pull this down. Save some since I actually put the gear outside of it. Earlier I made it big enough to have the gear inside of it, but now I could just do this and put the gear outside of this part. Let's see. I'll leave that, or maybe not. Oh, not delete. Wrong. I meant to do something else. I meant to press 7. Delete. I hit delete. And pull this guy maybe over here. Let me see. See, it's clipping into the motor. I could solve that by putting the motor higher, but whatever. I'm not in the mood for that. I'll do something else with that. Well, I could just pull it in even more, get it out of. Let me see. Put that on the wireframe. See the motor's right there. Just pull it out of the motor, like that. Oh. Ooh, get out of wireframe. Yeah, see that? It's like that. Let me undo that. Because I want to keep it kind of hollow, not use that much filament. Actually, I don't need to do it like that. Let me do it like this. Oh shit, it's not working? Ah, crap. Oh yeah, I split it up. I forgot. Ah, well, it doesn't matter. It's fine. Yeah, there we go. Do it like this. It's nicer. Keeps the lines nice and straight. Now we have this for. Let me go back out of this. Yeah, that looks fine. This part. Oh, there you go. Copy it. I'm gonna mirror it again on the X. Click, and it goes over this ball bearing. Let me put that on wireframe so I can position it properly. Yeah, there it is. Goes over that ball bearing. That's the holder for the ball bearing that I designed. Our ball bearings are kind of big. I actually like it. I like the big chunky ball bearing because whatever, gives it a nice look. Yeah, so I got that. Let's see. I actually need to punch a hole in this guy because it's yeah. I'm actually gonna, yeah, I wanna punch a hole in it. Also, that punch a hole in that. I need 2 holes. I need a hole there and a hole over here. Need a hole here because this is where the motor attaches. I could show you. Whoa. You see there? These are the motor attachments. Yeah, put that back. Because this is the motor that I modeled. Okay, so now we have this. This is actually looking pretty good. I think I'm just gonna do the clunky 3D printer bull crap and just join these parts. Put that over here and then pull it a bit. Yeah, make it nice and flush. This one should, yeah, that one's fine. Oh, is this one, well, let me, do that. Pull it over here, just make it, just put it, that's kind of nice. Make it a bit nicer, you know what I mean? Whatever. A bit more coherent. So now you can see I have a nice opportunity to like make it connect. I'm gonna do that. It's gonna work out good. So now let's see. Now I just need to figure out how to connect the motor itself. Let me see, how is the motor? Yeah, I can't. Okay. Let me see. Let me grab the other model. I got a lot of junk in the file. There we go. This is just the model of the motor without all the shit. Yeah, that's the model. That's the one. Okay. Let me copy that. We got a lot of junk in this thing. This is all older, older models. So now I'm gonna put the motor here. I'm gonna design the container for the motor. Put it over it. It should be fine. Yeah, I'm a bit lazy with this kind of crap. I'm like, it's good enough. Fuck it. Yep. Hey, where's the thing? What the hell? Hey? Oh, there it is. So I lost it. Holy crap. Let me put it on the other side actually. Put it over here. Yep. Just trying to get the there we go, that's fine. So I gotta repeat what I did earlier. Oh, go back to solid. What I did earlier for the ball bearings, I'm just gonna Go to edit mode. Control R. Just chew. Yeah, put two of them in there. Grab this guy. Grab this guy. Let's see how wide. Well, doesn't have to be that much. Just maybe we'll turn on the. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Boop, 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 boop. Pull this guy. Whoop, there you go. Pull this guy. Whoop. Yep. Now, oh, not that. This one and this one. And then again, size it up. Yeah, that's fine. Probably screw it up a bit. Yep. Just doing it by eye. Just messing around a bit. I mean, yeah, there's probably easier ways, but whatever. I like fiddling with stuff. Yeah, that's fine. That's good enough. So now, let me pull it over the motor. It's the exact same method of the that I use for the ball bearings. So I'll just put it like this, like around the middle. It's fine. Around, well, something not really the middle, but around there, because there's like electronics here, and I don't want to mess with that. Well, actually, maybe just like that. Put it there. So now that's a nice little band there that will what do you call it? Hold the motor. Let me see how is that? Oh no, wait a minute. We will edit. So it's actually too small on the middle. I think I did it wrong, but no matter, it's fine. But I did it the wrong way around. But it should work out. It's no big deal. Let me see. Let me grab this again. Grab this and this. How big is it? Make it a bit bigger. Oh, wrong way. Oh, I'm getting a message. Yeah, okay. So that's fidget, just messing around with this thing a bit. Oh, I hit caps lock. Oh, whatever. Okay. So now we got that. What I want to do. Oh shit! I had to keep it. Yeah, there we go. Shift Control. There we go. Now what I want to do is I want to size it back up just a bit over the motor, just a bit bigger. You gotta watch out with 3D printing because there's like a discrepancy in the model sizes. Ooh, I actually kind of like that slope. I kind of like that. I'll leave it. Whatever, it's fine. You gotta watch out with 3D printing because it's like a 1 millimeter discrepancy. So if you put something too precise when you print it, because of thermal expansion and all kinds of stuff, cooling off and whatever, your model is probably gonna be off. So gotta watch out. Like 1 millimeter tolerances. You gotta be careful with that. Oh, the cat's calling again. Yep. Let me go back to solid. So that's what it looks like. Let me see if it's not clipping into anything. No, it's fine. Oh, gotta go to wireframe again and see what's it. See, it's clipping into this, but that's not a problem because that's actually kind of the point. Also, it's just this stylus here, but I think I'm gonna reduce that. Now I'm gonna do something that actually it's a big boo-boo. You should not, I repeat, should not do this in other things, but I don't give a crap. Actually, yeah, select this guy, go back to edit mode. Remember, I pulled it out. Actually, I'm gonna change my mind. I'm gonna pull it back in, pull it back out under the thing. Let me go to wireframe. Let me see this thing. And whoa, wrong. Did I grab it? Yeah, that was fine. Pull it right there. So now it's attached. Because I'm gonna do something. I'm just gonna attach them. Just press join, and you're done. I mean, seriously, that's it. It's that easy. But I'll do that later. Let's see. Now, I'm actually also gonna break this and put a screw there so that I can. Oh, sorry, I hit the mic again. So I can attach it with a screw, so it opens up. Gonna do that, but later. Okay, I'm just getting like the basics down of this part before going into like the minutia of like, and I'm thinking I'm gonna, yeah. Also, yeah, let me copy this guy. Oh, wrong. Oh shit. Like that. Let me go around the back. Yeah, copy it. Push him to the top. Yeah. Wireframe it. Make sure it's not clipping into the motor. Yeah. Set origin geometry. I hate when the origin moves. Oh, look at that. Now we have an enclosure. This, I'm gonna attach this. I'm probably gonna reduce the size a little bit. I'm gonna reduce the size a little bit of some of those parts. But this is the general idea of this. Also, I'm gonna change around something, but this is like the general blocking. I just blocked out the what I intend for this part. I also want to try out some things in a bit. So basically, it's a cage to keep it all like straight and level. I am going to be reducing the size because this is a lot of material. This is a lot of printing. So I'm going to be reducing the size of these structures and the thicknesses and all that stuff to make it a bit more streamlined, also make it lighter. But this is basically it. The basic idea. Let me see. Yeah, it's fine. It's a bit offset, but that's no big deal. Let's see. Whoops. Yeah, it's a bit offset from the center because this gear is messing with me, but that's fine. We can figure that out later. What I want to try now, I want to try punching some holes into this guy. So let me see. Let me wireframe it. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be fine. Wireframe that. So yeah, if you guys like what you see, give us a follow and join our Discord if you want. We're on there most days, but yeah, whatever. Check out our stuff. Let's see. So I'm gonna punch this hole in there. I'm gonna be real stupid. Just use a boolean. I don't give a crap. It'll probably work out. Difference. Apply it. You need to apply it right away if you want to use the. If you want to do the thingy. The. Oh shit. Yeah. It fucked up. Okay. Let's see. Edit mode. Let's check out this guy. What did it do? What the hell did it do? Did I hit the wrong guy? Okay, what the hell? Well, the normals got flipped. Okay, what the hell just happened? Shit. Whoa, what's up? Okay, let's try that again. Okay, that was weird. I didn't do it, but it didn't make any geometry either. Maybe I hit the wrong one. Oh yeah, I did hit the wrong one. Yeah, yeah, I get it. Yeah, it's fine. Here we go. Do it again. But the one I need to hit is like right. Oh man, that's tight. Okay. This guy. Yep, there you go. Intersect, no difference. And apply. So now it should either, yeah, it fucked me up a bit, but it doesn't matter, it's fine. Whoa, look at all those holes. Ugh, damn, man. Yep. Okay, we'll fix that. And if you go into the thing, oh shit. You can see it, yeah, it sucks. But let me check out the 3D printing. Check this out. Let's see. Boom! Oof, 130 non-matter. This is not gonna print. You can forget about it. Forget about it. Totally forget about printing this guy. Let's see, but we can fix him. Well, at least attempt to fix it. I just grab this and I'll delete there you go, I deleted that. So now let me grab this guy and then grab this guy. W bridge edge loops. Oh shit, it didn't do the other side. Oh. This guy and then this guy and then W bridge edge loops. Oh wow, look what it did. It did it differently. So now we check all. Yeah, there you go. Zero non-manifold edges and bad counting, they're all gone. So we're fine. We're in the clear. So now it's good. The reason I did that was because I need the I need the hole to be there so that I can put the bar through it. But since I'm gonna be messing around with it, what I'm gonna do is, did I grab them both? Yeah, cool. What I'm gonna do is reduce the size of the hole slightly. Let me put that in wireframe. That's Z. Put it like that. Whoa, 0.8 is a lot. Oh shit, no, not that. Put 0.9. Yeah, 0.9. And Y, Z and Y. 0.9. So now what happens is, because I'm gonna be just joining the I'm just gonna be joining the parts. It's not gonna be there's no complicated thing. So make it a bit smaller than the other part, and it's gonna join. It's gonna clip through the part and just join. So that hole's done. Now we need to put the other holes in place. I just had a little snag. Oh no, it's fine. What am I doing? I pulled it out. I totally forgot that I pulled it out because I needed it to punch the hole, but I can just pull it back in. There you go. Actually, just select this guy. Because I need this guy to make the hole. Pull that out. Yeah, man, this is all crazy shit. Now I'm gonna do it again. The Boolean operation. Do not try this at home. Two Booleans in one part after each other. You're asking for trouble. But I can probably fix it. There you go. So now we have... Yeah, see that? The motor goes there, and the ball bearing goes there. Go like that. Now we check if the thing survived it. Whoa, look at that. Oh, wait, no. Actually, it probably did. Those are a lot of faces on that part there. Holy shit, there's a lot of faces. It probably did survive. It looks pretty good, actually. Let's see. Check all. Whoa! Look at that. All of this crap you can ignore. Well, you could just... I could make it manifold. Let's see what it does. Oh, it actually... Oh, not bad. Let's see. Check all. Oh, it fixed a lot of them. Oh, not bad. Wow. Yeah, well, you know, it helps when it's like a rectangle, easy shape. So it's not gonna like, oh yeah, let me. I meant to do this. Also save your work, people. You won't regret it. It helps when it's like a rectangle, easy shape like this. So yeah, I mean, I shouldn't be too surprised, but still, you know, Booleans can mess up your model real fast if you're not careful. And if you don't know how to fix it, you'll be you have to redo the whole thing, or you know, you are gonna have to redesign the whole thing if you don't know how to fix the Boolean operation after it goes wrong, because you might I like using booleans to do things that are like slightly more complicated, because it's kind of hard to get a what do you call it, a hole in a thing like this. You're gonna have to, if you want to make a hole like that, you have to redesign it from the start with the hole and like extrude or something like that. Oh shit, I keep bumping the mic, sorry guys. But with boolean you can just punch it in it. I mean, it's possible without the boolean. I mean, I've done a lot of parts without the boolean, putting holes in it. No big deal. But it helps with like some quick and dirty parts like this. More complicated stuff, I tend to just build it out with the hole, with the proper holes in it. So that looks pretty good. Let me do something. Let me hit this thing. Oh no, not that. I like doing this and making it a bit rounded, whatever. Little cosmetic thing. I mean, it's like, it's kind of crappy, but it's nice. Little cosmetic thingy, whatever. I mean, I hope the thing survived. No, it's fine. Okay, cool, nice. Yeah, look at that. Cool. Now, it looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good for the rear unit. This part can be joined. Actually, I'm gonna do that. Oh wait, I'll join all the parts when I'm done with them, when I'm completely done with them at the end. I'm not gonna join now because I might change some stuff around. This part, actually, I want it thicker. I think I can get away with that. Make it thicker. Ooh, like that. Pull it out. Yeah, it's fine there. Make it thicker like that. Also, I'm gonna do that. I was gonna like remove some parts, and I want to break it up and build it out, and then make it so that those parts get screwed in, so that I can like easily remove and put back the motor without a lot of trouble. Let's see. So let me do that now. What I can do is I can grab this. Okay, I grab more of it. Grab these two. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna try it out. Vertices. Ooh, yeah, I thought so. Delete faces. Okay, that's good. Bridge edge loops again. There you go. So I lost the inner thing, but you can get that back easily, no big deal. Also now need to do this. make a face there. F. Where's the thing? F. There you go. Because I want because the motor has a slight wobble, and I want to get rid of that by encasing it like this. So this should work out pretty well. Yeah, what I can do here, I'm just messing around. I'm not. There's no real proper plan. I can pull this out. Same with this side. Pull it out. Let me rotate that. Get it straight. Boop, there you go. Do the same over here. Yeah. Okay. See that? I'm kind of building it a bit more beefy because the motor wobbles. So this way I can attach it extra tight on the part. See that? Gonna put 2 screws in there. Actually, I think I can just grab a hole. Let me see, because I got a bunch of hole punchers or whatever you call them. Man, let me send this guy back over here. I could probably use that one. I use these to punch holes into objects. I have like these standard holes. Where's the thing? Oh, there it is. So I use these to punch holes into things. Yeah, so yeah, I gotta do Boolean again because it's easier like this. Could just punch a hole for screws right through this thing. Oh shit, it's not it's too small. Look at that, it's pretty small. Let me edit that. Wait a minute, what the hell? They're not aligned, what the hell? Oh shit. Let me grab, oh, that's weird. They're not aligned. Okay. That's weird. Put that there. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, that was weird. Okay. Let me save. Yeah, so now, oh, these guys aren't aligned either. Oh, that's pretty weird. What happened? Okay, don't matter. So let me just grab this bottom, pull it out, grab top, pull it out. Oh, nah, not what the hell. Yeah, grab top, pull it out. Oh, not like that. So there you go. See that? So now we're gonna do the Boolean thing again. Oh boy, let's see how this goes, because it can go horribly wrong because this is a more complicated shape than the other one, and the algorithm might not have a proper places to latch onto. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to figure something else out. I'm gonna have to do like the hard way, but whatever. There you go. And let's see, edit mode. It looks like it worked. It's looking okay. So let's see. Well, check all. Yeah, it worked. It's fine. I wonder if I hit make manifold, what happens? What happened? Make manifold can sometimes break the whole thing. Even if the print says zero manifold, non-manifold edges, it could just break the print. But it seems like this part is fine, and with proper holes in it. Nice. Look at that. So now I'll send this guy back to where he came from. There we go. So now we got the proper holes here to attach the motor. And it's pretty good. And this one has the holes, this one has the holes. So now we can attach the motor pretty safely onto the car. Looking pretty good. For those of you who just joined, I'm working on a new version of a second version of an RC car that we print out on this channel, and we're working on this channel. We print out on a 3D printer. We do it on the Friday streams where we build the car and we do a bunch of test runs with the car. And last stream we printed the front suspension. That worked really well. We're really happy with that, the results. Right now I'm working on the rear suspension, the rear unit. Working on getting that a bit more robust, because right now the design is not very. This is the current design. This is the current rear unit. It has like, the axle is too long, and the where it connects, where it attaches, is way too thin. So we have a lot of wobbling issues. So I'm actually gonna use that. I'm gonna use this part over there, repurpose it. But anyways, so what I did now with the new design is that I extended the attachment point for the axle, made it longer, and redesigned the way the motor attaches to make it more robust, make it harder. This part is way more well, it's way more it's stiffer. It's sturdier, stiffer. So it's gonna hopefully perform way better. Because right now the current design has a lot of wobble in it. It like jitters a lot because it's like a really long bar on a thin thing, and it moves like that constantly. It's crazy. So hoping this will fix it. Also, the plan is to put this entire unit on its own suspension, so it's just gonna be able to move up and down like that. We're not gonna have independent suspension yet, but the moving forward, that's gonna be the plan. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I actually like what it's looking like now. Let's see. We'll go wireframe because I saw something. Let's see. I can. Yeah, I can actually. Oh no, I can't. No. I need to be able to. I need to be able to attach the. No, I can't do that. Okay, yeah, I saw something. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay, gonna do this. Edit mode. Go wireframe. Go 7. Cause this part needs to be able to detach. So gonna grab this and pull it in beyond here. There, right there. Do the same over here, because I have a lid there. And it has to be independent, or else it's gonna mess up the lid. I have a lid there to cover up the do the same with the top one, or actually just copy paste it and put it in place. Screw it, I'll just do it like this. Pull it back, pull this one back to. Holy shit, did I just, man, Stupid. Man, I just it went back. I know what I did wrong. I noticed it earlier, but I thought I thought it was something else. Whatever. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Reason I did that was because now here now I can detach this. See? Now it's flush because this is gonna be all one part. This is gonna be connected. It's gonna be one part, but this one can't be. So now it's gonna work because I'm gonna put screws there and it's gonna screw on like that. It's gonna latch on like that. Boom. So it needs to be independent of the of this whole assembly. So that's cool. That's gonna work. Let's see. Any issues because of this change? Oh. No, nothing really. I could make it thicker here. This one. Let me do that. Oh, not sculpt. Yeah, this one. I wonder, do I have, can I, yeah, I thought so. It's not allowing me to do that anymore. Can do that and that. Okay, I can do that. Okay, because I want to make this part thicker over here. Can't be thicker here because it's gonna interfere with all this stuff. But it can be over here, or actually, nah, it doesn't need to be. I'll leave it like that. It's fine. Actually, I'll do this, copy this, and send it over to the other side. Whoop. Yeah, but now you have that. That doesn't matter, I can get rid of it. Because I did this, I don't have things here, but I can do this. Do like that and then press the K. Whoop. This is really enter. Yeah, it is like you're slicing it. Oh shit. Whoop. Let me turn it around. It doesn't like that. There we go. So now we have that. And we select B, whoop, and then delete faces. Well, damn. Okay, delete vertices. There we go. Vertices it is. And I'll select the thingies, the points, F face. And there we go. We have a nice little little thing there. See that? That's nice. That's real nice. Yeah, so now it's yeah, attached. Look at that. I could make it thicker. Well, actually, later I'm gonna be adding screw holes and stuff, so I'll build it out later. But I'm just blocking it out for today, to really get into details later on. Yeah, this looks pretty good. This looks pretty good. Let's see. So if I want to make it like move independently with like that suspension stuff I was talking about, I'm gonna have to build out all kinds of stuff. Okay, let me select this guy. Oh, don't need to vote. Don't need edit mode for that. Let me rotate it. Put it 90 degrees. Yeah, rotate upwards, because then I can attach it like that, and that gives me some extra space down here to work with, because I need to do some stuff there, like adding the suspension, the moving suspension. I need to add it there, but this is looking good. This I could probably make it thinner. I could probably get away with making it thinner, but I'll try that. I'll try that another time. Yeah, this is looking good. Okay, cool. I think that's it for today. Wow, longer stream than I anticipated, but I blocked out the general design and pretty much just sketched the design of the part. Also took care of the holes, made sure those work. This is gonna print, no big deal. Gonna have to do some tweaking on the design later on, because 3D printing is gonna be when I'm 3D printed, it's gonna be some parts are gonna be weird. Like for example, this one here, I'm gonna print it on this side. That's because this side is on the floor, and you reduce the overhanging struts like that way. And also the thing with 3D printing is this has to be a perfect circle, these parts. So if you print them like they are now, if you print them like this, just laying down like this, the circle, because of the plastic is still pliable while it's printing, so it can actually, because of gravity, it can actually go down and become a bit oval shaped. So you have to watch out with that. That's why I always print any parts that have like circles in them that need to be perfect, because ball bearings are going in there. I print them face down with so the printer paints the circle like that, and the gravity doesn't affect the shape of the circle. That's what I do. So you have to keep that in mind when designing this. And I did that here because these circles, like here, is flush against it, that kind of stuff. So it's not gonna affect it in any way. Actually, this one, you can move it forward like this. And that's even better. Let me put it down. See? That's even better. See that? That way you don't have any weird overhanging parts or whatever. Well, let me check that out. You don't have any weird overhanging parts messing up the thing. There's some slight things here. I'll fix them in more detail later. But yeah, this you need to be mindful of that kind of stuff, because look, this is a separate part, so this is gonna be flush against the printer bed. See, it's gonna be flush, so you won't have like overhanging stuff. But actually, I said it wrong. Actually, I have to do it on this side. This side is gonna be flush, and you won't need to. This side is gonna be on, because if I print on this side, it's gonna have overhanging here, so it's gonna be printing all this material to support it, and it's not gonna work. But on this side, we won't have that problem. You see here, it is doing that, but I'll have minimal material. I'll need minimal material to get it printed properly, so it's okay. Also, the issue with this is that the gear does not allow. This does not allow me to pull it more, so I'm either gonna have to pull the ball bearing back to here, or I'm gonna have to do something else. But I can make it work. No big deal. This part still needs to. I would prefer it to be flush, just like this part, like that, so that when you pull this off the cap, because this is gonna be printed separately, this cap. So it's like this. But this side has slightly more complications because of this, and because of the position of the gears here. It complicates things, but I can figure it out. It shouldn't be a big deal, but it is something to keep in mind. I could probably, yeah, it should be fine. Also, I didn't want. Also, the other problem is that the ball bearing part here could clip with the motor. You can check it out here. It's just barely not touching, but actually that's probably gonna screw up in the 3D print. So I actually might have to pull it back a bit more, but I'll see. I'll check it out. I'll see how that works. So yeah, just a few things that need to be improved for the next time. Right now it's just a sketch, just getting a feel for the thing. Actually, let me see, what does it look like? What did we actually do today? Let's see, what does it look like? Is that all? Oh yeah, this one should. Is that it? Yeah, that's the part. That's the part. It's gonna be one piece, just one solid piece. No attachments, no nothing. Just this piece as a single unit. If you print it, gonna be printed on this side. So it's gonna go vertical in this direction, like that. Yeah, it looks pretty good. That's what we designed today. Took a while. You see here that there's a difference in thickness. I'll take care of that some other time, whatever. It should be fine. Here I need to build this out a bit more because the attachment is not very robust. It's a bit too weak. I need to build it out, add more material, more support. Let's see what else. Yeah, I think that's it. So the ball bearings are gonna be pushed in here. Push them in there like that, like whatever. And on this side the same. See. But actually, let me try one thing. To get this, because this thickness is messing with me. I'll do this, and on the bottom, do that. Press the K. Oh, where is it at? Oh no, shit. Fuck it. Okay, press the K. Oh shit, wait a minute. Press too early, hold on. Let me actually let me reverse that. So I don't want to lose the position of this thing. There we go. keep it in place, or else I'm gonna have to reposition the whole thing. It's gonna be annoying. I'm too lazy for that. Yeah, I thought I was done. Whatever, but let me just get this one last thing in. Put it in wireframe. Whoa, I lost it. Holy shit, where is it? There it is. Oh shit. Whoa. I hate it when that happens. Solid and points. Press K. Oh, hold on. Press K. There and there. Enter. Deselect. Press K. There and there. Enter. Oh shit! I need 2 of these. Can I copy? No, I can't copy. Well, I could copy, but whatever. I'll just make another one. Copying these lines could result in like weird. Oh shit! In weird shit. So I prefer not to. Whoa, wireframe is really crazy in this part. Where is it? There it is. Oh shit, I gotta put it as lines. Pull it out. Pull it out. There we go. Now repeat. Look, I could have done it differently, but I've tried like, oh shit. Okay, I've tried like copying lines, but man, varying results. I don't really like it. So just make new ones. Oh, let's grab this guy. Okay, there we go. Okay, now 7. Do this like this. Ooh. Let me put that in wireframe so I can see where I'm pulling it at. Towards. Pull it there. Solid. Yeah. See that? Yeah, make it a solid like that. Well, actually, no, yeah, it's fine. Could do this. Pull this down. Or could pull it up. Make it like that. This is probably better. Ooh, it's too close to the gear over here. So I'll pull it like that. I'll keep it like that. It's a bit close to the gears. It might interfere with the gear. I'll leave it selected like that. So yeah, look at that. Yep. So when you 3D print it, there's only gonna have this part overhanging, but that's fine, no big deal. Everything else is gonna be flush and nice. Also this is gonna be overhanging. Only here, this area is gonna have some slight overhang, but it's gonna be really slight. Just these and these. Everything else is just gonna print fine. Oh, and also here on the inner part, this is gonna have a lot of overhang. I could solve that by like breaking it in 2 pieces and like printing it each piece on its back and then reattaching it, but that would make it lose structure integrity. And I don't feel like that doing that, so I'll just print it out in 1 piece, just one go. It should be fine. The printer is tall enough to do it. If it's not, I'm gonna have to break it in pieces. What I could do is break it in pieces here and put screws here, so I can keep these guys one length, but then just screw them together there at the ends. That's also a possibility. That'll probably work better than breaking it in the middle. Just make screw holes here, 4 of them, and just like screw it in from the sides. That'll probably work pretty well. But I wanna try printing it out as 1 piece to keep it like really stiff. If it doesn't work, I'll add the screws at the corners. Okay, so yeah, now I'm really done. Yeah, that's it. Let me. So that's what we designed today. The sketch of the rear suspension unit, the new rear suspension unit. A vast improvement compared to the old one. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the stream, press follow. Follow us on Twitch here and also our Discord. You can see the links in on the main channel. You can see the links to the Discord. We have a Twitter. You can see there. If you want to follow us on Twitter, follow there. Yeah. So thanks for watching. And tomorrow we're gonna have the game stream. So keep an eye on that. We're still not clear on which game we're gonna do. Yeah, we'll keep you posted. Keep an eye on Discord and Twitch for more info on which game we're gonna do tomorrow. And Friday, make sure to tune in because we're gonna print out some new parts for the car. I didn't print some parts of the front suspension last time, but this Friday we're gonna do it. We are gonna print those parts out, and we're gonna test out some new stuff with the car, some new software probably. I'll have to check with Rick. I think there's some new software coming. Not sure. We'll see. So be sure to tune in on Friday and tomorrow night. So later, guys.